Let's look at the Hysweep hardware program. When you first start up, the only device is going to be the Hypack navigation device. That's in there by default and there's no setup. Let's say we have a Resign 8101 network system, so I'm going to go down and pick that. All right, we have a NEMA gyro and a TSS DMS system. All right. For the Resign system down here now, we can also identify what kind of system it is, and this is used when we do the geocoder program. All right. For each device, then under setup, it'll have its individual setup information. If I had the side scan option, right? If I wanted to use and log the snippets, which is going to add a bunch of data to your hard drive. All right. Down below here, I need to send out the time sync out. What COM port is it going to go out? I wouldn't advise using the loose time sync. Okay. NEMA gyro has no setup. TSS DMS. All right. Inverted pitch and roll if we reverse mount it. And then what messages are we sending out? All right. Second step is the connection. All right. For each device down here, for example, my TSS, I have to tell it what serial port it's connected to, what's the baud rate, the parity of the data bits. So we can go through each one. Let's do the NEMA gyro, COM6. All right. And then most importantly, all right, is the Resign 8101, where I'll have to enter the port number, right, and then the IP address, right, that's set with the system. That's usually in your system documentation. Under the COM test, right, I have the serial COM test, and then I have the network COM test, where I could go ahead and ping the device and also do UDP connect and see the packet streaming across. Under offsets for each device, here's for the Resign 8101, right, I would enter the results from my patch test over in this location here. For my Hypack navigation, I'd have my offsets, and I'd enter the result from my patch test latency in this location. And then if I had any kind of offsets for my gyro or my TSS system. When you're all set, File, I can just exit and it will save this as my default configuration. It's also a good idea to make a backup, so I can do a save as, right, and save it somewhere. I'll just say C Hysweep backup. So I can read that back in if somebody goes ahead and messes up with my file. That's the Hysweep hardware setup.